Hi fellow builders and welcome to TuneR, and today we will test these God hand tools, particularly with this GH-BBM13 and GH-RN set. Before we start, this video was brought to you by Hobby Ollie. If you are interested to God hand tools, just visit their website, Facebook, Shopee page, and even Lazada page. They do also have their exclusive God hand page in Lazada. And we have another set of God hand tools here that may help you in customizing your projects. First, this JHBBM1 to 3. This is a set of uh, bit blade, a round type bit blade composed of 1 millimeter to 3 millimeter bits of blade. And of course, it has a 3 millimeter body shaft. And here we go, another sets of blades. Bit blade, or the round type bit blade, used to trim the surface, to cut and build some grooves from the surface of your projects. And disclaimer, this is not for your nails. This is not definitely not a tool for your nails. Might be look a pusher for nails, but it is not. Okay, from the looks of these bits, it's very easy to understand how it works. We're going to use this, of course, the pin vise from God Hand. Let's take this pin as a sample. This is a 2.5 millimeter size. Again, the size is also indicated here. Again, the tool is used for trimming the surface of your project. Okay. You can also use this to carve the surface like this. And also, very suitable if you want to create patterns, especially to the round ones. You're going to groove the surface of this plastic. So there you go. It's very sharp, very neat, and very easy to use. I'm not using too much force in terms of pushing this needle like this. So as you can see, the curves and grooves, very nice and easy. Okay, again, very recommended in trimming the surface of your project, putting some grooves, or creating some patterns like this. Next is the GHRN set. Look like a tool for your panel lining activities or project. So this is the GHRN set, and we have here two needles. I think this is the God Hand Riegel needles. There's a word here named Kurve, and this one names Gerade. These are German words. So definitely this is for the curve patterns, and this one is for the straight patterns. Again, also it also uses 3 millimeter body shaft. Okay, since the functions were already indicated, so this pin for curves, this pin for straight patterns, very easy to understand. So we have here a guided tape, or this panel lining tape with a curve cut. So let's use this curved needle first. Now you have this pen looking needle for curve purposes. We're going to apply this needle and follow through the curve just like so. Again, very easy to use. Okay. I think we're going to adjust the lighting. Fortunately, the lines cannot see in the video. Again, just follow it lightly first. Don't put too much force on it, or else you might accidentally swipe the pattern into wrong way. Okay, there you go. Very easy and smooth to use. Okay, this needle has the point around type on its tip, so perfect for curved areas. Okay, let's remove the masking guide or the tape guide, and we have here the initial curve pattern or curve line created with this tool. So next is to create this with follow through, since you already established the curve line to the surface, just like so. Again, just follow the curve lightly. Do not put too much force, or else you might tend to uh, lose the guide like this. I already made the mistake. Okay, need to go with the flow, make it smooth as possible. Just follow the lines. Okay, this is the first time that I use this kind of tool from Gerade. So again, avoid putting too much pressure in curving the surface. This is the common mistake of all, and you might be went out of your guide, just like this. Then sand it if you are satisfied with the depth of the lines. Next bit is this Gerade, or for straight lines. So you can see the tip of this needle is very different from the first needle that we used. So you're seeing some tiny edges here, that telling to us that this is for straight lines use only. And we prepare this surface with these guiding tapes, and we arrange it in straight patterns just like this. So let's use and test this Gerard pin type of Gerade. So again, first things first, do it lightly and do not put too much force on it. Just follow the line. Just like so. I usually count 5 times or 5 sets before I switch to other side. 1, 2, 3. Just like so. Now I can make some follow throughs for these lines, and I'm going to try to connect the edge so that I can establish now my complete pattern for this surface. I think this is enough for me, and let's remove the patterns. So as you can see, I managed to establish the initial line for the surface, in the surface. So I think after you establish the line, you can now place another angle of this needle to the surface, like a straight one, and follow the line. 1, just like this. You prefer to widen up the panel lines, can use the other uh, like the chisel type engraver for this one. There you go. Again, just keep practicing in using your tools, and you can have a nice and perfect output sooner or later. If you are a God hand tool user, so maybe you can consider these tools to your line, and upon using these tools, I felt the convenience, the easiness, the flowless, smooth and flowless experience upon using these tools. So again, if you're interested to these God hand tools, just check Hobby Ali website, Facebook page, Shopee page, Lazada page. You can also check the links in the description box below. Go get your tools and you might have these kind of freebies as well. And hope you like this video. Please do burst like, share, subscribe to my channel, and blast that notification bell for more videos. And this is the GH-BBM 123 and GHRN set from God Hand Tools. Until next time here in Tune R, just build more and build up.